Hi folks. Well, it turns out I've just got far too many old VHS video recorders. This shelving unit to my left here contains, among other junk, a load of old domestic VHS video recorders, most of which don't work, they've got various faults, and I need to clear some space to make room for more incoming interesting junk. So what I'm going to do in this video is just go through those old VHS video recorders, see which ones work, any of the ones that don't work, see what the faults are and if they're worth repairing. If they're not worth repairing, I'll probably just junk them. If they are worth repairing, I'll probably hold on to them and maybe repair them at some point, but not in this video. This video's just going to be looking through these old machines and seeing what the situation with them is. No tinkering, no repairs, so if that doesn't sound interesting to you, then probably move on to the next video. But anyway, let's get the first one out and we'll have a look. Right, first on the bench we have this Panasonic NV-FJ620. These were sort of the last of the kind of decent VHS machines, really, made quite late in the lifespan of the VHS format, and it's got this Super LP mode, which I didn't even know existed until a couple of years ago. I've also written myself a little note on here with what's wrong with it. It says, deck initially behaves erratically, dirty mode switch ? Improved with use, and works fine after a few load/unload cycles. Well, let's see if that's true. Let's give it some power. And connect the start lead up. And power up. Display is very dim, but it is working, so let's stick a tape in. Oh, spat it straight out, that's not good. No, spat it straight out again. Oh, this is the erratic behaviour I was talking about on my little note, probably. There we go, it's taken it this time. That seems to be spitting it out again. Come on. Well, it's definitely behaving erratically. Taken it. Now, will it play? Oh, no, it's ejecting again. Didn't do anything, it just ejected. See if we can get it to play. Well, it played briefly, now it's ejecting again. No, it's not happy, is it? Let's have a look inside it. Laced up okay. No, it seems to lace up and then spit the tape out again. I think it's not sensing when it's fully laced, and it's just trying to carry on lacing and then giving up. So yeah, it could be mode switch or could be something else, I don't know. Anyway, definite keeper that one. Probably just needs a mode switch clean and that'll be a good machine. So yep, definitely keeping that one. Right, next we have a Sharp, where's the model number? VCA49. Quite an old machine, very heavy. And yet again I've written myself a note, which in this case says no capstan lock-in playback, other modes seem okay. So let's see if that's true. Power. And start. And power up. Sharp we have on the display. So operate. It says load. Okay, is that telling us to load? Probably. Ooh, sounds a bit laboured. Didn't like that big click either. Anyway, let's see if it plays. Yes, it is actually playing. So yeah, it's just free running, isn't it? It's not, haven't got caps and servo lock. But it said in my note, other modes seem okay. So let's try picture forward. No, it's not locking in picture forward either, is it? Because those noise bars should be static, really. Let's try picture rewind. Yeah, again, I don't think it's got capstan servo lock, has it? Let's go back into play. No. So potentially could just be, where's eject? There it is. Could just be a dirty control head. The mechanism sounds very laboured, doesn't it? That's probably a lubrication issue. That's not too much of a worry. Shall we have a quick look inside? Yeah, the mechanism needs lubrication, doesn't it? Shall we try just giving the control head a little clean? Why not? You never know. Actually looks pretty clean. Don't think it's gonna... No, there's nothing coming off that at all. It's audio control erase. No, nothing came off that. Don't think that's going to have made any difference, but let's give it a quick try. No, exactly the same. Exactly the same, so that's no good. I'm actually going to change that. It's no capstan lock at all in any mode, is it? Sadly, probably not worth keeping that one. Next we have a Samsung DVD VHS combi unit. Now, where's the model number on this one? It's an SV-DVD40. And again, I have a note on here telling me what's wrong with it. Powers up but no motors run. DVD no on-screen display. Separate PSU board, so maybe worth looking at. Okay, let's see how true that is. The mains cable's all bundled up. I don't want to bother to unbundle that really, so I'll just move the whole thing back. Well, nothing yet. No, doesn't seem to be powering up at all. Is there a switch I've missed? No, it's definitely plugged in and switched on. Well, that seems completely dead, doesn't it? No, nothing. Shall we have a look inside? Oh, it's only got rear screws by the look of it. I mean, yes, there is a separate power supply board here, which extends underneath the DVD mechanism there, but is it really worth repairing? Unfortunately, it probably isn't. Let's just try powering it up again with the top off. No, no life at all. Let's just try offering up a tape. I doubt it'll do anything, but... nah. No, dead as a doorknob. Sadly, probably not worth keeping. Reject, unfortunately. Right, next we have a little Sanyo model VHR-277. Right, let's give it some power. No label on this one, so I obviously haven't looked at this one. And SCART. Oh, that's a stiff. Cool, that's a very stiff SCART connector. Is that? Doesn't want to go in. Oh, it has gone in. Oh, that was very stiff. Anyway, power up. Oh, yeah, we have a display. Power on. Looking promising. Right, stick a tape in. Again, the mechanism sounds laboured, but that's probably just a lubrication thing. Can we play? Yes, it is playing. Yeah, looks like it's playing absolutely fine. Let's try picture forwards. Yeah, that looks good. Let's try picture rewind. Yeah, looks good. Picture forward again. Oh, it's a very quick mechanism to change from forward to rewind. Rewind. Yeah, play. Looks good. Yep, looks like a worker, that one. Stop, eject. Yep, just a little bit of lubrication of the mechanism and that'll be a good machine. Now, it is a mono one, so you do kind of question whether it's worth keeping. But I suppose, given that it's fully working, yeah, I'm going to say that's a keeper. Right, next we have a Samsung, where's the model number? There it is, SV405B. This has got a very short mains cable on it for some reason. Anyway, again, no label on this, so I haven't checked this one, obviously. Give it a SCART output. And power it up. Motor spin, display very dim, power on. Oh, that's better. Oh, it's a nice display. Right, stick a tape in. Seems happy, play. It's tracking. Are we getting any output from it? Yes, but it's terrible. Well, in fact, while I was repositioning the camera, it completely cleared up the picture, so there's obviously a little bit of a head clog. That now actually looks like a really good playback picture. So, let's try picture search forwards. Yeah, fine. Back to play. Yeah, fine. And picture rewind. Yeah, absolutely fine. And back to play. So, it looks like another good machine, doesn't it? Shall we try fast wind? Actually, I've just realised I haven't been trying fast wind in the other machines, have I? Yep, it's fast forwarding, okay. Or is it? No, it's not. It's slowing down. No, it's really struggling to... Should we try fast rewind? No, it's struggling to fast wind. Shall we have a little look inside? Right, let's try fast forward. No, it's just seized up. I'll try fast forward. No, it just seizes up. No, it's struggling. Right, let's try fast rewind. No, it can't do it, can it? Well, that's a shame. Well, that's a bit of a shame, isn't it? Because the playback picture is really good on that one. You just can't fast forward or rewind. And of course, now I've realised I forgot to try fast wind on the little sharp that we've just looked at. Maybe I'll look at that later. Anyway, again, sadly, probably not worth keeping. Because again, it's only a mono machine. With regret, I'm going to have to say, not worth keeping. Right, next up we have this little Aiwa, or Aiwa, however you pronounce it. I'm pretty sure I know what's wrong with this one. It's an FX7700. Now I think this is just locked with a pin, because I remember trying various tricks and hacks to try and bypass the pin lock that I found online, and none of them worked. So let's just confirm that's the case. It's another one that's got the cable bundled, so let's give it a start. And I'll just, to avoid having to unbundle that cable, I'll just shift it up to the back of the bench here. And power up. We have nothing on the screen at the moment, just a blue raster. Oh, here we go. Yes, there we go. So yeah, this one's just locked with a pin, and as I say, I've tried various tricks that I found online and I couldn't seem to get through this pin lock, so that's a bit of a shame really, because that machine probably works if we could just bypass the pin. Oh well. Oops. Forgot to take the SCART lead out. Right, next one is a Crown CRV-2195, and another one that I've labelled. Mechanism fine, but machine seems to be stuck in some kind of service mode. No front panel display, no output during play, constant buzz on audio. Oh, let's see if that's true. Again, the power cable is bundled, so I'll just punt it up the back of the desk. SCART, and power. Well yes, there's the constant buzz on the audio, and yes, it does appear to be in service mode, doesn't it? It sounds okay. If we play... Yeah, the buzz has stopped, but we've just got no output to the TV. So it's pretty much as I wrote on my label. Where's stop? There it is. Yeah, as soon as we stop, we go back to the buzz and the service mode. Have a quick look inside? Why not? It seems like it's actually working, doesn't it? But we've just got no output for some reason. No, it is rewinding. Thought it wasn't going to rewind for a second, but it is. Yeah, mechanically it seems fine, doesn't it? But it's clearly got electronic problems, hasn't it? So yeah, again, it's... oh no, it is a hi-fi stereo machine, so that does make you wonder whether it's worth keeping for spares, doesn't it? Because the mechanism actually looked in good nick, didn't it? And seemed to work fine mechanically. Not quite sure what to do about that one. Right, next we have a Hitachi FX-960E. And I do actually have a remote for this one. We have display. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's try tape. Tape navigation is flashing. I wonder what that means. Anyway, can we play? Auto tracking. Yep, it's playing, so let's try picture forward. Yep, seems fine. Try picture rewind. Yep, fine. Let's try, if we do stop. Where's stop? There it is. Oh, we've gone into still frame there. Anyway, stop. And fast forward. Yep. And fast rewind. Oh, it's gone back to... Bit squeaky, but it is working. And play. And it's working fine. So, eject. And no loop of tape, so yeah, good. Worker, definitely keep that one. Right, now we have a Sony machine. It's an... where's the model number? There it is. SLV-SE810. Power. SCART, hopefully the correct one. Power up. Oh, I thought it wasn't going to work for a second. It took a while to come on, didn't it? Right. PR4, and I can hear the head spinning. No, there's no tape in it, so let's load a tape. Ooh. Yeah, again, it sounds a bit laboured. That's probably just a lubing issue. And it is playing. Picture's a bit grainy, but it is working. So how do we do fast forward? Do we... oh, there's a button for it. Okay, it's picture forward. Oh, you have to hold it in. Picture forward. Perfect. Picture rewind. Perfect. And play. Yeah, well, I say perfect. It's not a very good picture, really. It's a bit sort of fuzzy and grainy, but it is working. Let's just try the fast wind mode. So, fast forward. Oh, blimey, it's one of these jet wind ones. Yeah, seems to work fine though, doesn't it? And fast rewind. Yeah, seems fine. Noisy old mechanism. It really threw the tape at me, but yeah, worker, good. Another keeper. Next we have another Sony. This is an SLV-SE810. And weirdly it's got a European mains plug on the end, so I'm going to have to go and find an adapter for that. Well, I can't seem to find a Euro adapter at the moment to try this one, so we'll have to park that one for the time being. Right, I've had a little bit of a rearrangement here so that you can see the TV screen. And the next one I'm going to look at is this little Hitachi. This is a model VT-FX240E. Another stereo one. plug it in and switch on. Well, we have on-screen display, which hopefully you can now see thanks to the rearrangement. So let's try a tape. Sounds a bit odd, but let's try play. Oh, no, it's not happy. It's shut down. And we've got a 2 flashing on the display. The question is, where is the eject button? Oh, it's there, it's combined with stop. Well, that's not going to work, is it? Power up, eject. Will it give me my tape back is the question. Yes. It's given me my tape back and it hasn't destroyed it, so let's try that again. Oh, now I've got error 4 on the screen. And now it's going to be tape stuck. Oh, it's taking it in. Head spun up. Seems to be lacing. It's labelling, isn't it? Yeah, and error 2. Right, let's have a look inside. So there's my tape, which it's currently holding hostage. It has given it back to me. But we have error 4 on the display until I power cycled it. Anyway, let's try loading the tape again. Similar problem to the Panasonic, I think. It doesn't know that it's finished lacing. It's just getting to the laced position and then just continuing to try and drive the motor. Or is it going to give me my tape back? So yeah, again, could be mode switch, could be something else, don't know. Anyway, let's reassemble it. So it's a fairly nice little machine, it's hi-fi stereo, so may just need a mode switch clean and that'll be a good machine. So yeah, definite keeper, that one. Right, next another little Sanyo. This one is, if I can find the model number, a VHR-791. And I have a label on this one. It says, takes tape in, then spits it straight out again. No further investigation done. Channel buttons don't work, question mark. Okay, let's see where we are with this one then. Do we even have a display? Yes, the display is very dim, but it is on. Oh, there we go. Thank you for selecting your Sanyo VCR. Oh, it's trying to scan for channels. It's not going to do very well with that, is it? Because A, there are no analogue TV channels in the UK anymore, and B, I haven't even connected an aerial to it. So let's just see what happens if I push stop on that. Oh, no cassette, okay. Let's let it scan away in the background while we put a tape in. Oh yes, it does indeed. Take it in, do nothing, then spit it out. I wonder though, if we wait for it to finish searching for channels, if it'll work a bit better. Oh. It's set the output channel to channel 23, which is a bit odd. Got to press enter now, but I don't have an enter button on the front panel, so what can I do? There is no enter button on the front panel, so I'm a bit stuck there. it's just spitting it straight out again, isn't it? Power off and power on again. See if we get out of this setup mode. Ah, now we've got no signal. That's a bit better. So let's try the tape now. No. Okay. Let's have a look inside. It's weird, isn't it? It's just not doing anything at all. Head spins nice and freely. No, no idea. Again, possibly could be mode switch, but I don't know. Let's put it back together. Well, I've finally managed to get the lid back on this. Took me about 20 minutes. I'm still not totally sure it's on properly. These little hooks at the back just didn't seem to want to go into the right place. And it's got to engage all the way along the top here and at the sides, and that was really fiddly. And I say, I'm still not even sure it's on correctly now. But as a machine, I don't know really. It is a stereo one. It's quite a nice little deck. And may just need a mode switch clean again, so I don't know. I think I will hold on to that one. I noticed this video has just ticked over the half-hour mark, so I'm going to pause here for part one. Still got quite a few machines to go through. In fact, I don't think I'm even halfway through yet, and some of the ones still to come I'm quite confident about because I'm fairly sure they were fully working when I last tried them. But these are the 11 machines I've looked at so far. I've organised them into 4 piles. This pile is the fully working machines, which obviously I'm keeping. This pile is machines that have faults, but they're nice machines, so they're worth keeping and having a look at, and saving if I possibly can. Then we have the faulty machines, which I'm not really sure what to do with. I've put the little Aiwa into that category because I suspect there may be a way to bypass that pin lock that I just haven't found yet. So there is some hope for that machine. In fact, I may move it into the keep pile. Haven't quite decided yet. And finally we have the faulty machines, which aren't really worth keeping. But having said that, like the Aiwa, I'm almost tempted to move that little Samsung into the keep pile because it just had such a cracking playback picture, so it could potentially be useful for playing back tapes that don't have hi-fi audio. So I really don't know what to do about that one. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, part 2 will be along within the next few weeks. In the meantime, thank you very much indeed for watching.